Y'all ready for her?
Yeah. My titties purple, they plastic. Yep. I like my money Jurassic. This pussy pop back elastic. You bitches don't want no static. Catch one of you hoes in traffic. Flip one of you bitches gymnastic. Hit and run is my tatty. Y'all be reaching, I'm grabbing. Wait, nigga, I'm bagging.
God, it's actually time. Hey Luxers, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see earlier in the video, I just teased you guys with a little bit of my experience. That was actually on Christmas Day, by the way. However, before we continue, my name is Kristen Moore. Here on this channel, we discuss everything to do with luxury, beauty, and lifestyle. If this is something that you love and this is a topic for you, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget that little bell notification for you to get a notification every time that I post. And as I told you guys, I am sticking to it. I am committed. Every Thursdays and Sundays, expect a new video from your girl. So with no further ado, we're going to jump right into it about this beauty that I'm about to unbox for you guys. It is actually my first rare and special Hermes unboxing for you guys, and it's actually my first of the type. So before I get into the unboxing, a little bit of story time for you guys of how I went about getting this beauty. And this is one thing I want to put out there, and I want you guys to understand that seeing is believing. And I always have this thing that I say, and it's a motto of mine that I live by, and I'm going to always continue to live by it. See it, say it, and obtain it. SSO. See it, say it, obtain it. And that is so surreal, because thus far in my life, everything that I've seen, saw, said, I've obtained. And it's really crazy to live by that motto, because it kind of pushes you as a person and an individual. And you know me, I like to give my little encouragement and positive vibes, because it's all about the positive vibes, honey. We're not only here to just unbox and show and, you know, also share that positive vibe and keep that positive vibes going, honey. It's all about, you know, keeping it flowing. So let me just jump right into it. I saw this specific bag on someone, and I went to my essay. I was offered a Kelly 25 in a beautiful color, and I went and I got the Kelly. And after that, I was like, can I place an order again, and for my wish list? And obviously my essay was really happy about that. She was like, what do you have in mind? I tell her, you know what, let me go and think about it. And a friend of mine have managed to purchase her home. Also, she was like, she wanted to get some Hermes pieces. So I said to her, you know what, I'll go in with her so she could pick these pieces out. And we both end up shopping and getting some bits and stuff for our homes. And I turned around and I said to my essay, I was like, is it possible that I could put that wish list in now? Because when I got the Kelly, I completely told you I'll be back. She was like, yeah, sure, let's do it. So I said to her what I would like. I said to her, I would like to have this time a Birkin, Cellier. It would be either Retourné or Cellier. It would be in these colors. So I started with black, red, gray, brown, and I think I picked a color. I can't remember at the time what color I picked. And then we proceeded to put on for the wishes. And then I saw this lady with a bag, and I said to her, would you have to be a certain client, or would you have to have a certain amount of spend? Would you have to be a VIC or VVIC client with you guys to be able to obtain one of those bags? And she was like, nah, you could just put it in your description, in your wish, and if it's something that you wish and we do happen to get it in, and then it's not appointed to anyone else, then we're more than happy to appoint it to you. And I'm like, okay, well, you know what, put it in my notes that I'm interested in that type of bag, and most likely we will, you know, see what happens. You know, I haven't thought anything of it. I just brushed it in. I was just hoping that I do get a call here. So as everybody knows, like, the first 6 months you could get up to 2 quarters. The second 6 months of the year you could get up to 2 quarters, quarter bags. That's what I'm referring to when I say quarter. Hope that you get called, because obviously sometimes when you get called for one, doesn't necessarily mean you're gonna get called for another. In, you know, if you got one for the year, there's chances that you mightn't get one. If you get two for the year, there's chances you mightn't get one. So anyways, long story short, I asked about the item, this bag that I'm about to unbox for you guys, and I got the email, to be exact. I was shocked. I was in disbelief. I went to see it. I decided, you know what? I need to get my head around this. Go to Hermes. I viewed it. I told her, can I come back tomorrow for pickup? I need to sort some stuff, and I did that. And on my next return to Hermes, I went and I got her, and she's here. I am super duper happy with her. So with no further ado, let's do a little unboxing for you guys. As you guys may know, most of my unboxing videos I do on my social media feeds. So if you want to be more active and be there to see me do an unboxing, I would always say to you guys, follow me on Instagram. That's where all the action at, more accurate. You see all my unboxings of my handbag right away from getting them. I do unboxing here on YouTube as well, but it's more like a unboxing, because as you see, there's no ribbon and opening of the ribbon. But I will insert a video here for you guys with me unboxing her for the first time, so you guys could actually enjoy a piece of unboxing. For those of you that enjoy unboxing videos, because I think it's a bit unfair not putting that. So with that being said, I've actually, you can see here where I'm unboxing her, and I'm about to reveal her for the first time for you guys. And here you can see. So obviously, as I was saying to you guys, I never expected I would have had this piece. For starters, and here I have some very important documents for the bag. I'm gonna leave that there. Of course, you get your booklets, your raincoat, and I'm thinking I'm going to put this down. With this bag, you got everything that you had to get. I did see some stuff was a bit different. So the only difference of when I purchased this bag is I got a bit of more documentation of the bag, which was completely new to me, because I've never seen where a bag actually come with this documentation. But then obviously I was explaining I'm going to need it. There's possibilities that I would have to show it. There's possibilities not. So I was really happy with it. So not holding you back anymore with any more. This is my first rare Hermes piece. I'm going to do this for you guys to see her. Are you guys seeing her? Are you guys seeing her? Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Are you guys see? Oh, okay. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? I don't think you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. Are you guys actually seeing what I'm seeing? Right. So let's keep going down with her, and you tell me what you think. Guys, yes, here she is. My Birkin 30 in the Birkin Touch. It is a very rare piece to come by, and I love her to bits. I'm just super duper excited to have her, because this here right here is a bad beat. That's right. I mean, what more could you want? I think this is where I'm not saying that I've stopped, but this is where for me it is a milestone. After so much years, nearly over a decade of being a Hermes client, I've actually been able to acquire and actually be offered an exotic piece. I am super duper over the moon. I cannot explain how excited I am. I've seen a lot of reviews about this bag. You've had a bit of give and take. You had the negative reviews where most people would say it's not a bag worth getting, because, you know, it's just a touch of, for what it's priced at, it's just a touch of crop for that amount. And then you've seen reviews where, you know, people actually love the piece. And like me, my review so far, I'll do a review of it, but so far I could say that me being able to score this baddie, it has been an amazing experience. And so far I have had so many compliments. Like all my friends are like, oh my god, I mean, it's not a full croc, but I'll get there eventually. And this is my foot in for exotics. I'm extremely happy with it. And also, I mean, what is there not to love about this beauty? I have seen her also in different colors and stuff, but I am happy to have a black on black gold hardware. It's a classic. You can't even argue with me about this bag right here, period. So no further ado, I'm gonna open her up. The thing that people complain a lot about is the fact that the croc, oh yeah, also got the clochette with her, clochette and lock with her, which I'm really happy about. Say that it's not, you're not gonna see a lot of croc, and it's not worth it if you put twirlies on the handles. Personally, I don't think I'm gonna put twirlies on my handle. Let me just put it at the back. Yeah, perfect. There you have her, guys. My Birkin 30 in the color noir with gold hardware with the touch. So we have the black Nicotilus, I think it's called. It's black shiny croc Nicotilus on the top, and you have the togo leather, black togo leather at the bottom. So me personally, let me give you guys a 360 of the bag. Me personally, I love her to bits. You can get away with it. From far it looks just like a regular normal Birkin, but when you come up close you realize that it's shiny to the top. I've seen people stop and stare. I've seen people gasp. I've worn her twice already. Took her on a cute day out, evening out. We went to the movies. I took her, and I also went to dinner at 34 with one of my really good friends, and I took her to dinner, and I was getting compliments all night. And at the end of the day, I am super duper excited about this bag and what it means to me to have her. And I am going to think about getting twirlies, because I think if I do add a twirly to it, it would take away from the beauty of the croc, because as you know, as I mentioned before, not much of the croc is on display, so that's something I'm trying to avoid. I'm also going to order a separate insert for her that I could just keep a nice pop of color on the inside, because it's a black bag. So I'm gonna get a colored insert to add. Thinking of a color that I could put on the inside. Now I'm just thinking a croc oran to go with her for the summer, maybe. I don't know, but definitely something to look forward to. It does feel a little heavier, but I'm not gonna put much inside of it anyway, so it's not much of a big deal. It does feel a tad bit heavier than a Birkin 30 fully Togo. I don't know if it's my idea. However, I just know for a fact that I am super duper in love with her. So with no further ado, I welcome my baby home, and I hope you guys love her as much as I do, because I'm going to definitely be using her as much as I can, special and non-special occasions. I definitely will be using her. I will be traveling shortly, so I will definitely have her with me when I'm going to travel. And also, thank you guys so much for enjoying this video with me, and please leave a comment below and let me know what you think about my first exotic Hermes bag. Yes, it's not fully cropped, and I get it, but it is an exotic piece, rare and exotic. So I think I have reached my goal for 2022. And this is also my first unboxing for 2022. Thank you so much for the love and support, and as I always say, until next time.
Yep. I like my money Jurassic. This pussy pop back elastic. You bitches don't want no static. Catch one of you hoes in traffic. Flip one of you bitches gymnastic. Hit and run is my tatty. Y'all be reaching, I'm grabbing. Wait, nigga, I'm bagging.